Hello children. In our previous video we had started with the unit simplification of mathematical expressions. Today we'll continue with it. Today we will solve the mathematical expression involving fractions. Okay, so let's start. You all know that there is no bracket involved, so we'll follow the rule of DMAS. Okay, start with division. You can see division is between 4 and 2 by 3. Now if this is a whole number, we can write it as fraction like this. I have told you earlier also. Rest of the things will be copied as it is. 102 into 4 minus 7 into 4 by 1. This division will change into multiplication and the fraction will get reciprocal. So I will write it as 3 by 2. Now before multiplying the numerators together and the denominators together, I have told you to reduce the numbers if they can be reduced. So 2 and 4, they both can be reduced. 2 1 times and 2 2s are 4. Now we have 102 into 4 minus 7 into 2 into 3. In denominator we have 1, so there is no need to write 1 in the denominator because all are whole numbers. Okay. Now division is done. Now is the turn of multiplication. You can see we have multiplication between these two numbers and multiplication between these three numbers. Okay. So in one step we will multiply only one operation. So 102 multiplied by 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, minus 7 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now 408 copied as it is. Now we will do the multiplication of these three numbers. 7 2s are 14 and 14 3s are 42. So I'll write 42 here. Okay. Now multiplication is done. Addition is not there. Last is subtraction. So we'll finally subtract the two numbers. So 408 minus 42. 8 minus 2 will give you 6. And 10 minus 4 will give you again 6. And here 3 is left. So 366 is the answer. Now children, let's see one more example involving more fractions. Again we'll follow the rule of DMAS. So first we'll do the division. Okay, rest of the things will be copied as it is. While doing fractions, keep this thing in mind that this sign will be exactly in between the fraction bar. Okay, this is very important. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. This division will change into multiplication and after that the fraction will be reciprocal. So I will write it as 6 by 1 minus 1 by 9 into 2 copied as it is. Now you all can see that 6 and 6 can be reduced because there is multiplication sign in between. 6 1 times, 6 1 times got reduced. Now I have 2 by 3 plus 5 into 1. Again 5, 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 by 9 copied as it is into 2 copied as it is. Okay. Now after division comes the turn of multiplication. We have multiplication between these two numbers. If this is a whole number, I can write 1 in the denominator. So 2 by 3 plus 5 by 1 minus, now we'll multiply. Nothing can be reduced in these two fractions. So 1 into 2, 2 and 9 into 1, 9. Okay. After multiplication comes the turn of addition. Okay. Now addition is between these two numbers. Okay. But you can see that these two fractions are unlike. So we cannot add the two fractions when they are unlike. We have to make them like by taking the LCM of the denominators. Now children, the LCM of 3 and 1 is simply 3. Now what we have to do? I have to make both the denominators equal to 3. So 2 by 3. If I have to make it 3, I'll simply multiply it by 1 plus 5 by 1. If I have to make it equal to 3, I will multiply by 3. This is nothing new. You all have learnt this in your unit of fraction. Okay, these two were unlike fractions. I am multiplying it by 1 and this by 3 so that both the denominators become same and they become like fractions. Minus 2 by 9 copied as it is. Now 2 ones are 2 by 3 plus 5 3s are 15 and 1 into 3, 3. minus 2 by 9 copied as it is. Now you can see that both the fractions are like because the denominators are same. So I can add the numerators. So 2 plus 15 upon 3 minus 2 by 9 again copied as it is. Okay. Now let's solve further. 2 plus 15 will give you 17 upon 3 minus 2 by 9. Okay. Now subtraction will be done, but again you can see that the denominators are not same, so we cannot subtract the numerators. We have to make the fractions like. So we'll take the LCM of 3 and 9. The LCM of 3 and 9, you can do it orally also, and if you have any doubt you can solve it in rough. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, again 3 1 1. So the LCM is 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, this you will solve in your rough column. Now the LCM is 9, so I have to make both the denominators equal to 9. So you know 17 by 3, if I have to make this equal to 9, I will multiply it by 3. And if I multiply the denominator by 3, the numerator will also be multiplied by 3. Minus 2 by 9 copied as it is. Because its denominator is already 9, so I will multiply it by 1. Okay. Now 17 threes are 51 and 3 threes are 9. Minus 2 into 1, 2 by 9. Now you can see that the denominators are same. They are like fractions. So we can subtract the numerators. 51 minus 2 by 9. 51 minus 2 will give you 49 by 9. But you will never leave the answer here because this is improper fraction. So I will change it into mixed number. Again in rough column we will divide 49 by 9. 9 5s are 45. Remainder 4. So I will write it as 5 whole 4 by 9. So 5 whole 4 by 9 is the answer. In this way children, we can solve any mathematical expression involving fractions. Just you have to keep in mind the rule of Demas and everything that has been taught in the unit fractions. Okay, then easily you all can do it.